What up, VeVe fam? I have a surprise today. So thanks to my friend Lynn, I figured out that I need this cable. It's called a USB-C to, I'm going to say RJ40. And then this is Ethernet. Or wait, maybe it's USB-C to Ethernet. And then this is a RJ or RD40 cable. It's two Ethernets, so one here and one that goes into your modem. And plus I got my clock over here. And so today I should have a much better chance of getting this drop. If not, I'm gonna do the rebounds today for 4 minutes and 8 minutes. I'm not gonna tell you in the title of the video what happened because a lot of people actually like the surprise element of it. So if you want to know what happened, I'm gonna put it in the description, but not the title. So if you really need to know, you look there so I could track it for myself. Oh my God, it's time. Okay. That didn't work. I tried spamming it. Oh no, it's gonna fuck me up. It's gonna say reserving order. Okay, good. $40. So I'm gonna do this for the next 4 minutes or so. So VeVe has a recording on their Twitter page about what they're doing about bots and their new features and all that stuff that I want to listen to. It's about an hour and a half long. So that's on my list of things to do. Somebody told me to delete and reinstall the app again, even though I've done it a couple of times. I may just do that before each drop. But I forgot to do it this time, unfortunately. We are at 11:01. We have 3 minutes to go until the next rebound. I could tell you my internet's definitely working quicker. Like it's not lagging at all. I have Verizon Fios, so it's definitely the most high speed ever. Okay, we're almost at 11:02. So once you plug this cable in, you have to turn your Wi-Fi off and you have to go into the Ethernet department, which is under it in the settings. So it's like Wi-Fi and then Ethernet. You go to Wi-Fi, you turn it off. It's on the right-hand side. And then you go to Ethernet and some numbers should come up like your IP address. And then just check and see if websites are coming. You probably need like 1 minute to calibrate it. But I tried it yesterday with Lynn on the phone. It worked. He was able to get the ultra rare Goofy from the Disney drop just by doing this. So it kind of made me hopeful. But then he hasn't gotten any other drops, and neither have I. So I said, you know what? Let me buy it. I bought these two things on Amazon. I think you can get them from Best Buy or any place like that also. It's called USB-C. If you have the new iPad, this is the new iPad, so it's a USB-C port to Ethernet, and the Ethernet goes into this and into your modem or router or whatever the hell it goes in that big box. But hopefully I'll be able to get a rebound. We are at the 3-minute 6-second mark. Almost at the first rebound. Maybe I'll try 3 rebounds today. See what happens. And then one time I think Lynn got a 9-minute rebound. So it wasn't even on the 4 and the 8-minute. It was just like random like that. It's much easier with the pencil to do this. Okay, we're at 3 minutes, 45 seconds. I'm gonna try to time it for like 3:59. Okay, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, nothing. Nothing for the first rebound. Gonna keep trying. What's happening? Nothing. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications so you can get all my new NFT videos as well. The comments are really fun. I respond to all of them. I try to do what you guys tell me to do. This is like, I've been waiting for this new setup to come for like a week now. I was really hopeful. But I'm going to try to reinstall the app and try again. And then, you know, once the drop is over, then you turn your Wi-Fi on again and you disconnect the cables. Very, very easy. So yesterday, you know, with the DC CoverGirls Marvel drop, thank you Affleck for barking at our neighbors. What's it called? I bought 2 of the commons because they were like 100 each. The price kind of dropped to the 80s, but I'm fine with that. I think because it's Batgirl, I think it's gonna go up. And I bought, be quiet. And I bought 2 of the rares, the Supergirls, because I thought that they looked good. And I think I paid how much? Maybe 200 for each of them. Yeah, 215 or 250 or something like that. They dropped a little bit, but I think they're going to come back up again. But I noticed there wasn't that much of a demand for it. I think it doesn't make sense to me. I was like, maybe it's because it's women. People aren't that into it, but I don't know. They're still Marvel characters, but maybe there aren't enough women who like the Marvel characters. I don't know. It doesn't make sense to me, but I was like, where is the demand? I kind of felt that in the marketplace yesterday. Like it wasn't going as crazy as I was expecting it to. But who knows? Okay, we're at 6 minutes, 40 seconds. So almost to the second drop. It's definitely working much faster being directly connected to the internet. And sometimes I have to squiggle the mouse pad so that it doesn't just die on me. Okay, we're at 7 minutes and pretty much 10 seconds. Seven minutes, 45 seconds. Okay, here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, boom. Damn. Nothing. Nothing for the second drop. Gonna try for the third drop. We're almost at 9 minutes. 9 minutes and 34 seconds so far. Ten minutes. Oh, I gotta move my leg. Oh. 10 minutes, 22 seconds. $11 minutes. $11 minutes, 30 seconds. So we're coming up on the third drop. Okay, 53, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, boom. Nothing for the third drop as well. So I'm going to cut it there. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you on the next VeVe drop. And if you want to, follow me on Twitter as well. I'll put it in the description. You could, I'm going to put the results of this drop, which is that I didn't get it, in the description. So if you don't want to see that yet, or I guess it doesn't matter at this point. But anyway, it's in the description, so you'll find it there. Okay, bye guys.